Hello everyone, welcome to CAD NEST. In this video, we are going to see how to use the CAD software NXCAD. So if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please do like, share and subscribe to our CAD NEST YouTube channel for more updates. So let us go for the design environment and let us see how to use the NXCAD software.
Let us see how to use closed corner feature. For that, I will be taking a rectangular profile. Like this, I have took my rectangular profile. I will be creating a tab, that is my base feature. Give it as OK. Then here we go for flange option and I will be creating the edges. Angle I will be giving it as 90 degree and I will be creating 4 edges over here. So now you can see I have created 4 edges, but my edges are not proper. That is, all the edges are different. In order to close or open these edges, we will go for closed corner options. Here it is asking to select your adjacent bends. Adjacent bends is nothing but the bends. I have selected my bends. Now you can see the edge has been closed here. If you want to open edge, you will be specifying open. Now you can see there are open edge. If you give it as closed edge, the edge will be closed like this. Here we have 2 options, that is under overlap you can give closed, or else here you can give overlapping. Here you can see the curve has been overlapped. If I give it as closed, the endpoints will be closed. If I give it as overlap, the overlapping edge will be shown. And one more thing, here you can specify the corner reliefs. I will be rotating like this so you can see exactly. Then here I will be going for circular cutout. At this end you will be seeing a circular cutout. If I go for U cutout, the cutout will be in U shape. If I go for a V cutout, it is V cutout. And then also it is rectangular cutout also we have like this. The edges will be changing. So usually we don't use this reliefs and all. We go for open edge or else closed edge. So this is how we'll be using closed corner option. And one more thing is we have meter corner option. Meter corner is nothing but the edge will be metered like this. This is all about closed corner option.